is Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu, and today I'm here to find an answer for one of your why questions. So, what is that? Before that, we all enjoyed traveling, right? Now, though because of the pandemic, we cannot, but we all do enjoy. And what is the one thing we all tend to do when we travel is to observe the things around us, like why it is happening like this, how, where, from where did this come, what is happening here. So among all those questions, when you have been on a train journey, so one or two questions we tend to ask ourselves or wonder is, why do railway lines not rust, and why there are stones on the railway track? Right, so today you will find an answer for those two questions. Interesting. So not only those questions, the students has other set of problems or questions too. That is doubts. I have always faced this problem, because for me, if when a teacher is teaching and if I get a doubt, that has to be solved then and there. Otherwise, I don't know, I don't feel at ease. I feel like, oh, something is missing, and the next day I tend to forget it. So the doubts, they have to be solved then and there, right? But many of the time it's not possible. And the notes, you know how important notes is. But who will give you notes? When you write, when you prepare your own notes, well and good, that should be there. But sometimes we won't know how to answer for a question, right? That is where we have lost many marks because of that. Tests and assignments. Acha, let's take an example. So I'll teach a girl how to play football. Okay, only theory. Okay, I'll tell her all the rules, I'll teach her all the techniques. Then I'll just allow her to play a national level game for the first time. Okay, you think she'll do well? The practice is very much needed, right? Even in the same case in the education too, you have to take lot of tests, so to know how clear are you with the concept and how much you know regarding the chapter. And assignments, same. The competitive exams, coming to the competitive exams now, when should I start, when is the right time to prepare, how should I start, from where should I start, all these questions. If you're getting everything, but this timings won't be all right for you, and the language also. But there is one platform which has solved all these problems for you. Doubts in class, doubt solving. You will have master teachers, you will have class teachers who will instantaneously solve all of your doubts. And the notes, assignments, after every session, you will get the detailed notes along with the assignments too. And tests, very frequently there will be tests and you will get the performance reports. And the competitive exams, once you have taken this pro subscription, whatever the competitive courses we are offering, you'll get it for free. Schedule, very important. You will have the freedom to choose or make your own schedule. The choice of language, we have Hindi and English too. Along with that, unlimited live sessions. It's not only okay, every day you'll have 4 sessions or 5 sessions. No. So, here and there, the micro courses, long term courses, crash courses, everything will be going on and you can just attend all micro and crash courses. So, what is this micro course? This is really a very important and the highlight of our pro subscription, I must say, because not all the platforms offer this. So what exactly is this? Acha, so long term, yes, all the chapters will be covered. Then you will start reading and you will have doubts in the second chapter. You want to study it again. Here in a micro course, you can study all the chapters. This micro course is basically for every chapter, by the teacher you want to learn from, and the chapter you want to revise or study again at the time you want. And you will get personalized attention too. We have different telegram groups where we keep communicating with all our students. If you're very happy, if you're like, yeah, मेरा हर problem का solution मिल गया, then all you have to do is just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and bus 3 steps. 1. Select the grade. Second step is select the target, CBSE 2021 या ICSE 2021 or Maharashtra board, and click on to the get subscription. So we have 3 types of subscription: 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. So all you can even compare the prices. So all you have to do is apply the coupon code SURPRO. Then after applying, so you will be able to avail some discount. See, 6 months it is 11,499, but after applying the coupon code you will be able to get it for 9,774, and this is for 6 months. Unlimited sessions. So whatever we are offering, crash courses, micro courses, long term, सब कुछ मिलेगा आपको. Okay, so you are not taking this is not for one particular course. Once you are a pro subscriber, you will be able to attend all the sessions of all kinds of courses. So all you have to do is just visit vdnt.in/ytpro and apply the coupon code SURPRO. Okay, then coming back to our question, from where we started the session, why do railway lines not rust? We have all wondered, what about the railway lines? Why don't they corrode? Don't they corrode? Do they? But we have never seen it, right? But it's not true. If you are wondering, they don't get corroded at all. They do get corroded, but it has been prolonged to longer duration of time. So why? Because they are made up of special kind of alloy. They are not using the normal quality of steel or the alloy which we are using in building construction. They will use the higher quality steel because it has to take up a lot of weight, right? And it has to be susceptible for, it should not be susceptible for corrosion also. So the steel alloy consists of manganese, so which is an element. It will slow the rate of the cooling while manufacturing. So this will have effect on the rusting too. One more point is the steel grill. Okay, it will have a thicker cross section. So you know what is a cross section, right? So what happens generally, what we use is in the construction of buildings and all that, the cross section will be very thin. But here they are using the thicker cross section, almost 15 millimeter. Okay, as it is thicker, even though it starts rusting, right? So it will start from outward phase, from here, or not from the inward. So it will act as a barrier and it will close the rate of corrosion. So it will therefore take 20 years for 1 millimeter of steel to be compromised, and 2 millimeter if it is both words. 1 millimeter for 20 years, then you can imagine how long it will take for that thickness of the steel to get corroded. And this is the faces. Coming to the top and the upper side, what happens as the trains, they frequently pass through that line, right? So it gets polished and friction will be there. So the rate of rusting will be very less because of as the train goes on moving, it gets polished. Okay, that is one more reason. And of course they do grind it usually to remove the imperfections, that is the rusting and all that. And if these imperfections were allowed to worsen and deepen, then they will just replace that part with a new one. And it also depends, the rusting also depends on the location and how frequently the trains pass through that lane and the weight of the trains. And if the frequency of the trains passing through that lane is high, then the corrosion rate will be less because it gets polished all the time, and all the imperfections will be anyway removed, right? So these are the reasons why we feel that, the railway lanes do not get corroded. Of course they do, but it takes longer duration of time because of the thicker cross section of the steel and the quality of the steel they have used. And coming to the stones, why do they use stones? That is, if you see, we will never see any plants on the railway lanes, right? To prevent the growth of the vegetation, they use these stones. And even, to get rid of the water when it rains and all that, we don't want the water to get stored on the railway lanes. So these gravel, it will make sure that the drainage is proper. And when there is this large amount of heat, obviously when the rails are moving, so there will be a lot of vibrations, and we don't want the soil to be, to start moving because of the vibration and all that, right? Yeah, it will become loose. So to prevent all these, they do add gravels or the stones. And if you have observed, it won't be like pebbles, very soft and smooth and all that. No, it will be very pointed and hard, because there should be friction between the stones. If you use pebbles, then there are high chances that railways, there should be friction, otherwise, it can go like this. So to prevent all these, they do add the stones, that is very sharp edge stones, into the railway lanes. Yes, if you like this thought, and if you are like, yes, मेरा question को answer मिल गया, or oh, I didn't know this, do not forget to like, subscribe and click onto that bell button, so whenever I come up with a new video, you will be the one of the first students to watch it. And you can always reach out to me at surabhi.r@vedantu.com if you have any kind of these questions. If you're wondering why is this happening around me, what is the reason for this, please let me know in the comment section, so that I can answer for all of your doubts. It might not be it might not be related to the academics, general chemistry, right? If you're wondering, because I always tell my students, keep questioning yourself, why, where, how and all that. So do let me know if you have any kind of questions related to chemistry. So I love to answer all of your doubts. Thank you so much. Till now it was Surabhi, your master teacher of chemistry at Vedantu.